And this is the fundamental principle of the wishes. Hello, my beautiful manifestators. Welcome back to our Manifestation 101 online courses. I hope you're enjoying it as much as I do. Today is a beautiful day to manifest, and we are proceeding with our lesson number 7. And today we're going to talk about detaching. I hope you were able to write actions near your every wish, which we discussed in lesson number 6. And if you haven't watched the first 6 lessons, please do so. It's very important to do them step by step and actually doing all the exercises that I'm giving, not just watching the videos like I used to do. I loved reading self-help books, going through all those courses, but not doing the exercises. And only when I started actually doing everything, my wishes started manifesting like crazy. Many people have this crazy energy around their wishes, and they think that if this wish will not come true, they would just die. And universe is like, nope, you won't die. See, I won't make this wish come true and you will not die. Many people think that they can only be happy when their wish will come true. But actually, this is absolutely wrong, and it's the other way around. You will be able to manifest anything in your life when you will be happy, not the other way around. It's not going to work if you think that you'll be finally happy and your wish will come true. I had this many times. I was thinking that fulfilling these wishes, these financial wishes, these relationship wishes, this and this and this will make me happy. But this is not fucking true. I promise you. I remember I was in Paris. I was living in a nice hotel near the Champs-Élysées. I was going to all the excursions to Louvre, Versailles, Rodin's museum, everything. I was dining out in nice restaurants, eating like seafood, going to restaurants in the Four Seasons Hotel, and doing everything a person can wish to do in Paris. But I wasn't happy, really. All these external circumstances didn't make me happy, and I actually didn't even have energy to go out to museums. And I was like, I don't want to go anywhere. I just want to lay in my bed in my hotel. And everyone was like, you crazy? You are in like the best cities in the world. Everyone has a wish to go there and to spend some time there and explore the city. But this wasn't just for me, and it didn't make me happy. And now I just go out of my home and I'm like, oh my god, I'm so happy. I like seeing the trees, I like seeing the birds, and my wishes started to manifest crazy when I started to be happy and don't think about when my wish will manifest or whether it will manifest or not, because I'm not dependent on my wishes anymore. I'm not dependent on them making me happy, because I'm happy already. And this is the fundamental principle of the wishes. If you will master it, if you will master happiness, not depending on any external circumstances, then you will be manifesting like crazy. And again, just believe me and try to be happy and not wait for your wishes to make you happy. I also thought, like you probably is thinking now, like, yeah, that's fine. I know that my wish will make me happy. I know that if I get this MacBook, or like I get this iPhone, or I'll get this bag, I'll be happy. And I thought like you too. I was there. I was going through different courses, and I'm like, no, just tell me to make my wish come true, and then I will be happy. But again and again, the experience that I have, the experience that my students have, it's not true. It's a fallacy, and it's your ego trying to make you think that you will only be happy when you achieve something. But this is like a greatest trap, a greatest fallacy that you might have. Just be happy now, just be grateful now, and you'll see the amazing things happening in your life. Again, there are some people who are creating this nervous, crazy energy around this wish. And I remember I was there. I've been mentoring a Technovation Challenge team. This is a coding competition for girls. And I was crazy about the results. Our team was great, our app was great. Everyone was saying like, you guys are gonna get the first prize. You guys are great. And I was checking the website with the results, where the results should have been posted, like crazy. I checked it every day, several times a day, even though I knew that they're due like several weeks. And of course, we didn't get it because I was too dependent on the results, because I didn't detach from my wish. And sometimes when I just forget about some wishes, or I just think that this is not going to happen. For example, I remember I read this article where Bill Gates says that he spends few weeks a year in some cabin in the woods without any internet, to reflect on his life, to have like this slow life. And I'm like, that would be nice to have some time for reflection, maybe in the woods, in the cabin. And actually, I got a scholarship for like fellowship, where I got to spend several months in Bad Liebenzell in the Black Forest, and I lived in the cabin in the middle of the forest, and it was great time, where when I had a chance to reflect on my life and to be more mindful and stuff. I didn't think about that wish. I only realized it happening after it came true. Like, I've been living for several days in this cabin, and I was like having a great time, and then I'm like, wow, actually this is my wish coming true. This is the best feeling, when you don't know how and you don't know when your wish will come true, because otherwise it's not a miracle anymore. It's just a plan, a goal, and it's not as exciting as when it happens unexpectedly. So just forget about how and when. Just be happy right now in the moment. Just be grateful for the small thing that you have, and you'll be amazed how fast your wishes will come true. The sooner you will detach from your wishes, the sooner you will just be present, be in this presence, not thinking about future when your wish will come true, not thinking about the past and all of the fears and problems that you had in the past. Just be present, be mindful with the life right now. And then I promise you, as soon as you forget about your wish, as soon as you detach from that, you will see how many amazing things will happen in your life. I hope you'll be able to detach from your wish. Now you can take your list and just imagine that, okay, my first wish is to get $10,000. I just imagine that it's not coming true. I won't get this money, and I still feel okay. I don't feel dreadful about that. I don't feel sorry about myself, because I'm already living the life of my dreams. I'm already having everything I want. I'm already feeling grateful and feeling in love every day. Next wish, like traveling to Orlando. Okay, if it's not happening, I'm fine. I traveled enough, and I know there will be different opportunities, and even if I don't get into the spark, I still have lots of love, lots of memories with Harry Potter world, and I'm grateful that these books made my childhood magical. If I don't have a relationship, again, okay, it's fine. I am happy with myself. I'm happy spending time alone. I love spending time alone, actually, and I realize that the more I work on my spirituality, I don't like this noise. I don't like these public spaces, and I'm super happy being alone and fulfilled. And the most interesting things is that when I stopped feeling lonely, when I stopped searching for a relationship or for a man or for someone who will make me happy, the guys just appear in my life, and I'm like, wow. When you don't want it, when you don't care whether it will happen or not, when you're happy on your own, you will see that they will come up. It's crazy how it works. So just trust me. Okay, you can even not trust me. Just experiment and see yourself how it works. So I hope you are doing well on your manifestation. So it's only one lesson we're left with, lesson number 8, and I'm happy that you're all joining this online course. If you have any questions, you can always book my coaching session. I'll leave the link in the comments down below where you can book it. And if you like this video, if you like this course, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with your friends. If you want to share the results, I'm always happy to listen. You can text me in direct in Instagram or just post it in your stories. I'm happy to share this manifestation knowledge with more people, and I'm happy to see the results of everyone who I am helping to fulfill their manifestations. And see you on the lesson number 8.